Okay, class, this video, I hope that you'll be able to use this instruction for really the whole week's worth of math. I'm going to condense math this week into lessons 12 and 13, which is ongoing from what we were talking about before we left for spring break, which was telling time to the hour and half hour. Okay, and so that's why on Thursday we're not going to jump into a new module, which is our last module, but I'll just have some stuff for you to do that day, whether it be Prodigy or something like that. But talking about time, okay? Now everybody, whether it is finished or not, is going to get a paper clock like this sent home in their packets, okay? And we made these before spring break, and they will come in handy given our current situation. But remember the saying from our time together before spring break: the hour has the power. Okay, that's the shorthand. And so when you're looking for the time, if you're talking to somebody and they either want a brand new hour, 5 o'clock, or 5:30, I need to look at the little hand first, okay, to see if it is on the correct hour or in that range. Now, with a clock, remember, not with these paper ones, but when you're looking at a clock on the wall, or if you'll remember these clocks, the hour hand and the minute hand work together. So as the minute hand is moving around, the hour hand is moving slowly in that area, but it does not move from one straight hour to the next until it's gone all 60 minutes all the way around. Okay? So for example, and I will bring this a little closer, I am showing you straight up 5 o'clock right now with this time. Okay? And my hour hand is pointing directly at the 5. Okay, and my minute hand is straight up and down, okay, because that's how we start a brand new hour, okay, and as it moves, the hour hand is going to move slightly. As the big hand moves, the hour hand's going to move slightly, and so when I get down to half past 5, see here, okay, you'll notice that my hour hand has moved. Now, as we're moving clockwise around the clock, you can tell from our coloring that we are still in the 5 o'clock hour. Okay, we have not gone all the way back up to 6 o'clock, but our minute hand is pointing straight down. Okay, which if you're thinking half of the clock, okay, and this has been quite a few few days since we've talked about this, but every section, okay, of this clock that I've colored is 5 minutes. And so as I count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, there's my 30 minutes. Okay, so this is 5:30. Now, talking about a digital clock, okay, that was analog. Talking about the clock that shows only the numbers, which is probably easier for us to read. A brand new hour is written like this, and after these two dots, okay, here's the hour. Again, hour has the power, right? It's going to be the first number. Okay, after the two dots called a colon, you're either going to see a 00, okay, which is a brand new hour. No minutes have passed in this hour. Or you're going to see 30. Okay? And so again, digital is probably going to be a little bit more simple for us to tell. But according to the standards that we have in our class, we're only showing brand new hour and half past, or something 30. Okay? So knowing how these two clocks work together will be important. Okay, and everybody watching this, you know that whether it be during like office hours or whatever, you can get a hold of me if the problem set does not make sense. But being able to tell time on either one of these and then showing it on the other clock will be beneficial for you. Okay, and it will help you on both problem sets. Okay, this is going to be problem set 12 and 13, and then next week we'll start back in with some review stuff in our last module. Okay, don't hesitate to reach out to me, or this video you'll be able to watch this again and again if you need to look at the instruction again. So thank you and good luck with this first week's math.